We're standing here inside the Dallas Urby. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Look at this studio. This studio is phenomenal. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So this is a studio, but it actually has a closed-off bedroom. So you close off the bedroom with these translucent glass, and it just shaded frosted glass. Is just beautiful. So you've got that great feel in here. You do have the separation. Look at the gorgeous kitchen, and it's got really high-end finish outs everywhere you look. I mean, it's just stunning. Look at this. It's just amazing. And this is not all. So I'm going to walk through here. I just want you to see more of this. Look at this. Everything is super high-end. This is Blomberg. Beautiful, beautiful. This is Swiss, Swedish, modern Europe feel in here. It is gorgeous. Look at this. And then you have your closet in here, and every foot is so well used. And look at this closet, and it closes off, and this is beautiful wood that's here. This is just gorgeous, y'all. And then hey, look in this bathroom. The bathroom is so cute. Look at that. It stands up like that, and this is very, very high end. It's super nice, adorable bathroom. And then your walk-in shower is here. So all this is separate. It's not like this just flat space that's a big box. It's really all just very well designed. It's like intricate. It's just beautiful, and this could be yours. Hey, send me a text on the number below. I want to get you more information about this and get you to where we can get some pricing and availability, because you could be in this gorgeous studio that's not really a studio at the date that you want. We've got openings for soon, but we also have openings for the summer too. So that's coming up, and send me a text, and also like this video.